Exercise 6.2 asks us to prepare a multi-step income statement. Remember, a multi-step income statement means that you have gross profit or gross margin, then operating income, then income before taxes, then net income. Each subtotal is another step. A single step income statement, which is not GAAP approved, you put all the revenue together, you put all the expenses together, and you make one subtraction. This is a multi-step. For the sake of clarity, anytime we subtract a number, I'll use red ink. In the real world, you would not do that. So, they give us all the numbers. They tell us that the sales revenue was $390. $390,000, excuse me. Our cost of goods sold is $130,000. That's a subtraction. So that leaves us a gross profit of $260,000. Now we have our expenses, and these come right from the text. They tell us we have salaries expense of $40,000. We have utilities expense of $50,000. And we have advertising expense of $30,000. You add those up, you come up with 90 and 30, 120, 120,000 is total operating expenses. And now we come to operating income, which is gross profit, also called gross margin, minus operating expenses, and that leaves us $140,000 operating income. Now we have other revenue and other expense. Well, Wayman Corporation doesn't have any other revenue, but they do have interest expense of $20,000, so that's a subtraction. $20,000 interest expense. That brings us down to income before taxes of $120,000. And our income tax expense, and again they give us this number, is $50,000. That is a subtraction. And when all is said and done, in happy dollar green, we have $70,000 net income. That's the bottom line, and when they talk about the bottom line, that's the line they're referring to. So the blue numbers are positive, the red numbers are negative. Net income after taxes, after other expenses, $70,000. Multi-step income statement.